Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest and greatest smartphone from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. It's packed with some impressive technology, and we're going to dive into all of it. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's first talk about the design. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a beautiful looking phone with an aluminum frame and glass back. It's available in 3 colors, black, silver, and a beautiful shade of blue. The phone is only 6.81mm thin and weighs just 196 g, making it very comfortable to hold. Now, let's move on to the screen. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra features a 6.81-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. The display has a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look incredibly smooth. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness is excellent, making it a pleasure to use in any lighting condition. Moving on to the camera, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens. The primary camera has optical image stabilization, which makes the photos look incredibly stable and sharp. The periscope telephoto lens offers 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 120x digital zoom, which is just incredible. On the front, there's a 20MP selfie camera, which takes some great-looking selfies. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which is currently one of the best processors on the market. It's paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 3.1 storage, which makes the phone incredibly fast and snappy. The phone also has a 5G modem, which means you can take advantage of the latest 5G networks. Finally, let's talk about the battery. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra has a 4500 mAh battery, which should last you a full day of heavy usage. It also supports 67W fast charging, which means you can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 36 minutes. So, there you have it, folks. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a stunning phone with some impressive technology. It has a beautiful design, a fantastic camera, excellent performance, and a long-lasting battery. If you're in the market for a new phone, then the Xiaomi 13 Ultra is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.